Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to put applications on full screen on HP OmniBook 5 Flip laptop. So, in order to put an application on a full screen, you either have to double-click the top bar of the application and then double-tap it again to demaximize it. You can also grab it and drag it to the top of the screen and then release it. Once it's released, the app window will be maximized. To demaximize it, just drag it down, or you can just click the square icon in the top right corner of the window. Alternatively, you can press F11 button on your keyboard to put an application in a full screen mode that looks like this, and then press F11 once again to demaximize it. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.